Following the government's message that international trade will play a vital part in the recovery of the UK's economy, the UK's Trade and Investment has been encouraging businesses from across the region to look at the advantages that exporting can offer. With international trade now accounting for over 30% of GDP, in addition to supporting 1 in 4 jobs nationally, they believe that this is an avenue few businesses can afford to overlook. Having organised a series of events spanning the region during this International Trade Week, B. Daly went along to Cobalt Business Exchange to speak to those involved.
This week is essentially about running a series of events from come along and meet an international trade advisor, talk through what you do, where there's the opportunity to export, and in most cases there's always a market you can exploit, whether you're manufacturing or you're in the service sector. If you're an experienced exporter, looking at what further support we can offer you to expand your exports or to access new markets. We've got some events about particular countries, for example China. We've got some speakers coming along to talk about how they get into exports and to tell you that, you know, how they went about it. So it's really just trying to get people to understand how we can help them get into export, what support is available, and the fact that we're not fair weather friends, we're with you for the long haul.
As part of International Trade Week, we're running this session today to allow local companies to come in and meet their ITA and discuss on a one-to-one basis some of the aspects that we can help them with and advise them with to increase their international trade and export success. During the one-to-one sessions, we could discuss potential markets for the customers as to what they would be looking for, how to access those markets, how to choose those markets, and also how to engage with a plan to develop that market and succeed in the markets themselves.
All the things we see around about us in terms of schools, roads, hospitals, etc., depend upon the prosperity, not just of this region, but the UK. A lot of that is generated by international trade. We are a trading nation. We are the 6th largest manufacturer on the planet. A lot of people don't seem to understand that. So international trade for us is vital. It creates jobs, it creates prosperity. That's how we're going to come out of the recession and start growing again.